Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show how you can actually create your own satellite folder on your Redline decoder. So you can use these steps to actually create any folder on an FTA decoder. Just follow the steps and then you apply it on your decoder. So this will creating a folder for your TPs will actually help you in tracking for the signal. So you can add those TPs that you're going to use most often to track for your signal. If you are using your decoder to be tracking for the signal, you don't have any satellite finder out there, all you have to do is to create a satellite folder and then you add those FTA TPs. Let's say multi TV, my TV, Dstv, StarTime. StarTime is not an FTA, but for you to track, you can add those TPs in your created satellite folder and you are good to go. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote, you press on the menu button, and then from the menu page use the arrow keys on your remote just to navigate through the settings, and then you put it on installation. So from the installation page you just have to jump to the satellite list. So you press OK on the satellite list. That's the satellite menu. So on this page we have some command down below: red to add, green to edit, yellow to delete, and then blue to scan. So this is the satellite page, and this satellite over here are the satellite folders that have some TPs that they have programmed it with it. So you can create your own satellite, as I was saying, for you to add your own TPs in it, in order not for you to be worried whenever you are trying to track for any satellite. So you can just select your created satellites and then you put it on the TP that you just add in those created satellites. So you press on the red button on your remote for the add menu to pop up. So here you need to customize the name over there. You change it to any preferred name that you want. So for you to delete, we have the yellow to delete, so you can delete the new satellite over there and then you use your own name over there. So let's say pbteck, and then you save it right there. So pbteck. Okay, so pbteck, and then you press on the blue button to confirm, which means that you are saving the name by pressing on the blue button on the remote. So here the name has been saved, and you can choose your satellite position as well. We have the east west, so let's say I will select the east, and we have the degrees here as well. So let me set the degrees as well, 1, let's say 0.1 degrees, and then you save right there. So that's it, normal 34 right there. So I have saved this satellite, and right now after saving there is no TP in it, so you can't do anything with this exact satellite that is here, the Pbteck satellite I've created. You can use your own name as well or any other name. So for you to add TP in this created satellite, you go back, you press on the exit button, you go back to the installation menu, you come to the antenna settings, you press OK on the antenna settings, and here you have to add the transponder. So for you to add the transponder, you come to the transponder list, and from this page use the command down below, which is you press on the stop button on the remote for the satellite option to pop up for you to select your satellites whereby you're going to add the TP in it. So here you have to scroll down to the last one. That's what I just added, the Pbteck satellite over here. You select it and there is no TP, so you have to add the TP. So you're going to go ahead to add the TP by pressing on the red button once again, and then you add your TP, let's say 121111. All right, and then you have, let's say 29111 here, and then you save. So here you have one satellite or one TP saved right here. You can add another one as well. Let's say you add the multi TV TP in order for you not to waste your time whenever you are to track for the multi-TV or Dstv. So you add the multi-TV, which is 12525 30K vertical, you save it. So you have saved the multi-TV to, you add the Dstv, you come here, Dstv to 12245 27500 27500 horizontal, you save it right there, and you can go ahead by adding start time. In case you want to track, you just select your saved satellite, and then all those TPs will be in it. You just put it on it, and then you proceed to track. So start time 11765 27. This is the primary TP. When you use to track for the start time, you get it easier. So you have 27500 vertical, and you can also use the horizontal. So this same TP, you have the horizontal also working. So you select it right here, and you are good to go. You can also go ahead to add the my TV TP, which is 10804 30K horizontal. You save it right there. So these are some of the saved TPs. So in case, you can go back to the antenna settings page, and those saved TPs will be there for you to use it. So here you select your satellite, and then the TPs are here, the saved TPs are here. So let's say you want to put it on the multi-TV, you just put it on it right here. If you want to track for DSTV, you put it on number 3, and you are good to go. So that's it. It's very simple, and this is going to help you if you don't have any satellite finder to track and you want to use your FTA decoder to track. Create a satellite and then add the TPs in it. Anytime you have to track, you put it on it, and you are good to go. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.